Hey guys, David the Infoman here, and welcome to my Rapid Profix Pro review. Now, inside of this review of Rapid Profix Pro, I'm going to give you everything that there is to know about Rapid Profix Pro, as well as reveal to you some of my custom bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to purchase Rapid Profix Pro from the link down below this video in the description from me. So let's go ahead and jump into it right now. So what is Rapid Profix Pro? So Rapid Profix Pro is a done-for-you business allowing you to create an e-learning site done for you. So they're going to supply the courses, they're going to supply the site and all the media, all the graphics, everything that you need to launch a Udemy-like site in order to sell courses to people. Now, there is one caveat though. They don't really go over how to get the traffic to that page to actually sell those courses. And that is where my custom bonuses are going to come in handy for you, because I'm going to teach you how to get traffic to that page for free. So that's going to be some of the bonuses that we're going to be going over. Let's go ahead and jump into the sales page of Rapid Profix Pro right now. So as you can see, we are on the sales page of Rapid Profix Pro right now, and the headline says a brand new software creates fully automated, done-for-you e-learning sites like Udemy. So it comes preloaded with courses and funnels and content and everything that you need to actually start making money from this e-learning site from day one. So that's a huge headline. Let's see if it actually plays out. So here's some of the bullet points here. So one click to create your site, one click to select your courses. So yes, there are built-in courses that you can basically click, select, and it populates on your site automatically. One click, add your payment info. So that's perfect for people who are checking out and buying your courses. And then one click to get traffic. I'm not sure what they mean by this. They're probably talking about paid traffic. So I'm going to teach you how to do free traffic. They're probably going to be talking about paid traffic in this. So no website or hosting. The reason is because they're already giving it to you, and it's fully cloud-based. So all of it's hosted, and it's newbie friendly because they do give you the training on how to set up everything and how to take advantage of this 100% done for you e-learning site, just like Udemy. So on your own time, go ahead and scroll down and check out all these payment, all the commissions that they've been earning on the sales page here. It is by Jason Fulton and Mosh Bari. And you can go and check out all this copy and all the great stuff on the sales page. It's really well put together, and they explain in detail what you're going to be getting with Rapid Profix Pro if you decide to purchase it. So now let's go ahead and talk about my custom bonuses. Now, in order to get to the custom bonuses, one more time, just click on the link down below in the description. It'll take you to this page right here. If you click on any of these green buttons, it'll take you to that sales page that we were looking at before. So here is my bonus page. If you scroll down, you'll see bonus number one is a niche list. So this is 500 profitable niches that I have picked out and I have selected personally to give to you guys so that you can have some ideas of what kind of courses people will be searching for in different kinds of niches. Custom bonus number two is my rank any video YouTube SEO training. So this is going to teach you how to rank videos over and over again for specific keywords inside of YouTube. Now this is huge. This is how you're going to be able to use this with Rapid Profix Pro. Is you're going to be ranking videos for let's say if you're selling a health course, how to use coconut oil to lose weight, or how to use apple cider vinegar to lose weight. And then you'll link down to your course in the description of your YouTube video and push traffic to that website. So that's bonus number two, custom advanced YouTube hacks right there. Bonus number three is Quora Secrets. Now this is another custom bonus that I created, and it's going to allow you to rank your answers inside of Quora. When people search for a specific answer to a question, yours will stop at the top of Quora and get tons of traffic, outranking your competitors with the method and the secrets that I have revealed inside of the Quora bonus. So there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you do not like Rapid Profix Pro for any reason whatsoever, you can go ahead and get your money back. And in order to get the bonuses, as you can see here, I've laid it all out inside of my bonus page. Now let's go ahead and talk about the method specifically. So you're going to be creating a site kind of like Udemy. So if you're familiar with Udemy, Udemy is a website that hosts a bunch of different courses that people create. Now, the difference here is you're actually going to be selecting pre-made courses for you. They're probably going to be PLR courses, and you're going to be selling that on your own e-learning site. So another thing that you could do is, like I said before, is find more PLR courses. So you just go into Google and type in PLR, and then you can see all these different websites are selling PLR, and you can buy the rights to those courses and then sell them for profit through the Rapid Profix Pro system and website that is going to be done for you. So that is how I would do it. I would actually resell PLR courses on the site, and I would drive traffic via YouTube from my YouTube bonus, and I would also drive traffic through answering questions on Quora. So one last thing here, let's go over the upsells and the pricing for Rapid Profix Pro. So if you're on the sales page here, all you have to do is click on this right here. It'll take you to the checkout. Sorry, my internet's kind of slow. So $24 will get you the front end, which is going to get you the done for you website and courses and all the stuff that you're ready to go, ready to start making money with your done for you e-learning site. Now, upsell number one is going to be done for you money courses. So they're going to give you 20 plus more courses for $197. So that just enlarges the amount of courses that you can actually sell on your done for you e-learning site. So that's going to be for $197. Now, upsell number two, or OTO number two, is going to be $77, and this is going to be a way to generate quick and easy cash with Rapid Profix Pro. So let's see here. They're going to give you a custom domain, 20 different themes, tons of conversion boosters, SEO optimization to rank inside of Google for free traffic. So they're going to teach you how to rank your money sites in Google. They're also going to give you countdown timers, exit pop-ups, social proof pop-ups, and all the good stuff that you need to convert people into buyers once you get them there. So that is a very high quality upsell right there, and get it for the downsell price of $47 instead of spending that $77. I just saved you a few dollars there. Rapid Profix Pro OTO number three is going to be the super traffic machine for $97, but there's a downsell for $77. And this is going to show you how to get more traffic to your site. So this is going to be your super traffic machine. This is going to be teaching you how to get traffic in 60 seconds, as they said. But you know what? I do have you covered in my bonuses where I'm teaching you how to get traffic for free. So it's up to you whether or not you want that one. Now, upsell number four is automated passive income system, $97 with a downsell of $57. And this is going to be teaching you how to do it hands-free. So this is going to allow you to grow your business and live without having to be at your desk all day. So this is going to be automation with inside of the e-learning site that they're going to be giving you through Rapid Profix Pro. Now, upsell number five, I think this is auto traffic profit for $97, but there's a downsell for $67. So this is going to be chatbot stuff. So they're going to have a done for you chatbot installed on your Rapid Profix Pro. And basically when people come to the website, they click on the little messenger bot at the bottom right, and then they'll ask a question, and then they'll be put onto your chatbot list, which then you can market to them later on. Now, the last bonus is license rights for $197 or a downsell of $147. Basically, what you do is you sell this as your own product. So you're selling Rapid Profix Pro as your own product and keeping 100% of the profits and allowing them to take care of all the support and the back end. So that's really, really great if you're good at affiliate marketing and you want to sell Rapid Profix Pro as your own product. So that is all the information of the upsells and the downsells. If you're interested at all, go ahead and click on that link. It'll take you to my bonus page. It looks like this. I'm David, the Infoman. Thank you for checking out my review of Rapid Profix Pro. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I will see you next time.